Today we have a 2009 Toyota Corolla. It's got the 1.8 motor. It happens to have a check engine light. When we checked it, it was a P0101, which happens to be your mass airflow sensor. So we're going to show you where it's located and how to either clean or replace it. This is your Toyota 1.8 motor. It's an excellent motor. This one's got around 200,000. Your mass airflow sensor is going to be between your air cleaner and your throttle body, which is nicely located right here, and it's held on by two little Phillips screws. So all we gotta do is take those out. The challenge will be make sure I don't drop those. I'll put it up there. And do this one. Unscrew that. And just push down this back part right here and pull it off like that. So, and just always a good idea to double check your wire, especially when the car has a lot of miles on it. And I don't see anything that's bare, so it should be fine. All you have to do is pull this straight out. And we're going to take it over. You can see this is actually pretty dirty right there. If you look at it, you can see they've never been cleaned, so we'll start with that before replacing it. This one's shiny right there, and that one's filthy, so we're going to clean it. Now what you want to use is you don't want to use brake clean, gas, or anything else. You want to use something specifically made for this, which we've used this for years. I'm sure there's somebody else, but we always use the CRC. And like I said, this one you can see is shiny. This one's actually dirty. So what we're going to do is just clean these off. And then hopefully the code will go away. If not, we'll just replace the mass airflow sensor. Okay, now we're just going to let it set for 5 minutes. So we're ready to reinstall it. You can see it's got that little O-ring on there, and that's what seals it. Just pop it down like that. Start this front one. I want to make sure I don't drop anything. There's that one started. We got the second one started. Just got to be careful. You don't want to drop the screw, of course. That started. Ratchet that tight. That one's tight. Okay, double check it. The rest I'm gonna do is plug this in. Listen for it to click, like that. And that's all it takes to clean or replace a mass airflow sensor on a 2009 Toyota Corolla with a 1.8.